Hi, this is Spencer Colgan and welcome to my I Am Wallpaper television YouTube channel. And we are here in the beautiful Tampa Bay area, Safety Harbor, installing two murals on walls that they start at 8 feet and they go all the way up to about 18 feet. And there you see John doing the final touches on these panels that were erected and assembled for a particular wallpaper mural installation. So what we're doing is we're finishing up where the last contractor left off, just to put the final touches on taping, what's called taping the sheetrock, or sheetrock finishing. And so we're putting typical joint compound on these seams and screws to make the surface look seamless. After that, we will go over to the cabinet area, which is the more challenging installation, and we will attempt to tape these boards that you see in the upper part of your screen. We will tape them, putting 3 layers of compound on them, and then we will come back tomorrow, prime the surface if it's ready, which I assume it will be, being that high up, having the fans there, and we will put our primer on there, a very special latex glue-based primer, ready for installation. And so there you have it. That is the project we are endeavoring to complete today, to prep these walls, have them ready for installation tomorrow. And we'll show you the beautiful mural laid out before we install it. It's absolutely beautiful. And so there you have it. I have no tips other than to tell you this is just simply, this phase of the project is sheetrock finishing. We're using typical joint compound tape, the beige stuff. We might use a little mesh if the seam is violated, but they look like they're pretty much intact except for the bottom down there, bottom right-hand piece of the first sheet. You can see that it suffered a damage, which is typical on the edges of sheetrock if they're not handled properly. Not to worry, that's what the mesh tape is for. Anyway, this is Spencer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. You can reach us at www.spencercolgan.com, or you can reach us at 813-666-7002. If you need wall covering, any type, for the widest selection and the greatest deals, do me a favor and visit www.wallpaperboulevard.com. Tell them Spencer sent you. Thanks for watching. Click on like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next one. Remember one thing, quality, it's not expensive, it's priceless. Thank you.